to describe which situation has this term Zaharal Fasado fil Barre wal Bahre been used in the Holy Quran?
In fact, Barre and Bahar are only indicative that the land is Barre and Bahar is Samandar. So there is no part of the earth left alone, but it has been corrupted. The land is corrupted as well as the sea is corrupted. So there is no place left where one can seek shelter. So this is the time of Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's coming, when there was no place free of sin and free of corruption. The land as well as the sea indicates the spiritual element of water. So those people who are who people looked up to as their spiritual leaders, they have become also corrupt.